Hello my gorgeous friends on the internet, welcome to the last section of this course. I so much appreciate your time down from when we set up the whole project, created a GitHub project, and when we added the first to do to the database, deleted to do, and also we fetched to do. So I didn't really work on update to do because the API is not complete. Okay, you can see it only has three, and we have worked with those three, which are get to do, create to do, and delete to do. But in your own case, it's still similar stuff if you want to update it to do. So you just have to compare create to do with delete to do. That way you have to pass the ID of that particular to do you want to update. So it's just similar stuff. There's no complication there, right? Just use your knowledge, think about it once, just compare it with whatever GraphQL API you want to work with. It's really going to help you. Okay, so the goal is not to copy what I'm doing and then just implement it on your code. No, the goal is to watch me do what I do, understand what I did, and then try to replicate the same thing in your code. Replicate it over and over and again until you get used to it, and then start using it for your project. Okay, yeah, that's the best way to learn. Don't just copy code. Boy, you might not even understand anything. Okay, but we are good, and we are good. Okay, so but before I talk too much, let me first of all push the last update to GitHub. So what I do, okay, delete to do completed. All right, so everything is good. You can see the folder structuring. Let me just collapse them a little bit, and you can see the URL where I store the URL. You can work with it. This is Wisdom Math. I am Destiny Ed, so so just work with it. Wisdom Math GraphQL to do list herokuapp.com query. So I'm going to put this link on the description below for us to see. Then we have our main.dat where I just called initialize hive and then call the three provider that was created. Assuming we have delete provider, now would have created another fourth one, but we didn't have that. Then we could have the screens, which are add to do and also delete to do as well. Then we have providers, which we add tax provider, tax, delete, and get. We also have the schema for add tax schema, blah blah blah, the URL endpoint. This is very important, so you really need to understand this as well. You can also pass your token here, so if you watch from the beginning video, you should understand all these parts. Okay, so before I call this a wrap and end this video, I'm just going to delete some of these items, hopefully delete all, and then we are going to try adding another one again. No to do found. So what we do now is to create our first to do. We click on this button, add to do. We add testing to do. Yep, save, and it's going to show us success message. To do saved, and let me add another one, testing to do 2. So we're just going to test the flow to see how if everything is working perfectly as intended. Okay, yeah, you can see added to do, and it's there. So we can go back, do a hot refresh, and you can see the items. So we can try to delete one to do, and once it gives us a successful response, we can refresh and it removes. So your own task, you can try to see how to make this stuff. Once we delete, let it delete immediately instead of instead of us needing to refresh it again. Then this one, once you add it to do, if it's successful, clear this test feed. Once you clear the test feed, you navigate you pop the widget back to this page once the user adds it to do, and then maybe hopefully refresh the to do and then display the new items. Okay, so thank you guys for your time. I so much appreciate, and I so much love you guys. So just expect more exciting video coming from me. Do not forget to subscribe. It really helps me a lot. Do not forget to like and share this video, and let your comments actually be positive, please. And if you have any suggestion, anything at all, just put it down in the comment section below. See you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.